Yes, boys and girls, we are back in the garage. And yes, we are back on the Big Brother for once. We are going to do a tiny little quick video on the Big Brother because there's something that I love on the 698 that I really want to put on the 950. And let's get into that straight away now. Yes, box reveal. Stealth mirrors. Yes. I loved them so much that I've got them again for the 950. So as you know, I've got them on the 698. Fucking great. They're absolutely great. But you know what? I am sick and tired of these shitty mirrors because A, they're so fragile, they fucking break. I mean, you could have the world's tiniest little, drop it in the garage, it'll snap off. I've been on track days and they've wobbled off. My mate's been on a ride and they fucking vibrated off. Any kind of crash, low side you have, these will snap off automatically. And obviously, because they're so fucking high, even when I want to store my bike in my little corner or I want to load it in my van, because these are so fucking high, I always have to twist them off. I just want to say that on the website, on the Stealth Mirrors website, when you do guys order this, there's a version that has this clamp is straight, and there's a version where the clamp is angled. It could either be angled that way or it could be angled this way. So just make sure you check your clamp on your 950 first to see which one you got. So as I've fitted these, should be straightforward using the equipment that we've got. Little bonus tip, I've actually got some HK stickers made. I don't know, drop me a message on Instagram or YouTube, or I don't know, somehow get me a message on Facebook, etc. and let me know and I'll post them out to you. So these are relatively easy to come off. Look, I'm literally just levered this one off. You can maybe loosen that a little bit and then this twists off that way. And the good thing about these is because you can move them into different slots, I'm going to put mine in the lowest position. When it's on there like that, it's actually clearing that button. So I'm just going to lower it a bit, a little top tip with the accelerator side. If you have to use one of these to just loosen that, whatever you do, don't slip and catch this because you'll snap this clean off. And I've already done that before back in the past. Take your time with this, loosen it slowly, then it will spin off. Remember, this way is the opposite thread. There you go, spinning off. When you're finished on this side, just make sure that that cable clears just on the throttle, that's all. It doesn't catch on the top. If it does, just feed this back through here, just pull it back a little bit. My one's alright. So now you just sit on the bike and adjust it. So look, on the bike, and you can see there, look, you can just catch the side of my leg and my hip, and same on this side. So if I'm sat like this, you can just see the side of my hip. So for me, that is perfect. So yeah, so that's a quick and easy one done. Decent price, good customer service, lots of adjustability on it, and you can't go wrong with Stealth mirrors. So good, I bloody got them twice. Right guys, do the usual, like, comment, subscribe. Go and check out Stealth mirrors, I'll put a link in the description. And let's keep it strong and rolling for 2025. Alright, over and out.